Yeah. Uh, Good evening, friends. See, up to in the last session, we have completed the what is traditional computing, traditional computing, what are the issues or what are the challenges are there, and then to overcome that, the cloud computing is used. Using the cloud computing, what are the advantages are there? That is, in the last session, we discussed the advantages of the cloud computing. And now, today's session, we are going to explore the cloud delivery models. First, we explored the cloud deployment models and then the delivery models. And cloud delivery models we are going to explore. After that, I'm going to introduce the AWS. I'm going to introduce the AWS. See, first, I need to explore that. What are the cloud daily deployment models? Cloud deployment models, or we also call it as a types of clouds. Types of clouds. Cloud computing is providing the four types of clouds. Cloud computing is providing four types of clouds. The four types of clouds, one is public cloud, second one is private cloud, third one is the hybrid cloud, and the fourth one is the community cloud. Fourth one is community cloud. Those are the different types of clouds are there. Here, one is the public cloud. The public cloud is, it is open to all. That is for storing and accessing the resources via by using the internet connection. The public cloud is, it is open to all. It is open to all. That is for storing and accessing the resources. And accessing the resources. How resources will be accessed in the public cloud is using the internet connection. Using the internet connection. How we can use the services based on paper usage model. Based on the paper usage model. Whatever the service you are using, only for that one you need to pay the amount in the public cloud. It will be open to all. Whoever required the cloud service, you can register it and we have to use the service. That is, it will be open for all. Whoever required, they will be using. Sir, in public cloud, who has to maintain the servers? Who maintain the databases? Who maintain the networks? That is, in public cloud, the computing resources are managed and they are operated by using cloud service provider. Cloud service provider. Whoever providing the service, they are nothing but cloud service provider. You are using the AWS. AWS is the cloud service provider. I'm telling the public cloud example, the AWS, Azure, and the Google Cloud Platform. Those comes under the public cloud. If you are using the public cloud, it will be open for all for accessing the resources. How they can access the resources? By using the internet connection. How they are providing the services? Based on paper usage model. Who has to manage the resources and operate it means cloud service provider. Those are the examples I am representing for the public cloud. Next, another type of cloud deployment model, private cloud. The organization wants to develop their own cloud. wants to establish their own cloud is nothing but the private cloud. Is nothing but the private cloud. The private cloud, the another name is the internal cloud. Internal cloud. We also call it as a corporate cloud. We also call it as a corporate cloud. So to run this, they are using open source tools they are using. Open source tools they are using. With that, they can access the services in the private cloud. If they are using the private cloud is nothing but only the organization people, they are able to access the service. The others cannot able to access the services in the private cloud because it will be restricted only for the organization people. They are establishing to use these services. That's why within organization only the services can be providing in the private cloud. Who has to operate, who has to manage the resources is the internal, the organization has to manage it. Whereas in the public cloud, the cloud resources has to manage it, the cloud service provider. Here, the organization has to manage the resources in the private cloud. Next, another type of the cloud deployment model is nothing but the hybrid cloud. Here, the name itself, which is representing hybrid, is nothing but the combination of public cloud and the private cloud. Private cloud. We call it as a hybrid cloud. Here, I am telling that the hybrid cloud is providing the partially secure. Why the hybrid cloud is providing the partially secure? The meaning is there. Here, whoever the service which are running using the public cloud, anyone has to access the public cloud. That's why it is providing the partially secure because it is open to all the public cloud. Hybrid cloud is providing the partially secure. The services which are running on the public cloud, anyone has to access the services. The services which are running the private cloud, only the organization people are accessing that. That's why I mentioned that the hybrid cloud is providing the partially secure. Partially secure. So tell me the example for the hybrid cloud. The hybrid cloud, the example is the Google application sites. Google application sites. Google application sites is nothing but your Gmail. Gmail comes under the hybrid cloud. And Google Apps. Google Apps. And Google Drive. Google Drive. Those are comes under the hybrid cloud. Similarly, Office 365. Office 365. It also comes under the hybrid cloud. Here in OneDrive is there. Outlook is also there. Those are all comes under the hybrid cloud. It's a combination of public and the private, the hybrid cloud. Next, one more type of cloud deployment model. One more type of the cloud is the community cloud. Community cloud is nothing but a group of organization, that is a similar group of organizations, a similar group of organizations, similar group of organizations are combined together and forming the cloud. Such type of cloud we call it as a community cloud. The example for the community cloud is the healthcare community. Healthcare community. Similarly, the education community. The similar group of organizations, they are combined together, they are establishing the cloud is nothing but community cloud. Only those organization users are utilizing the services in the community cloud. In the community cloud, we were involving to establish the cloud, only those organizations are using the service. Who has to manage and operate it means the organizations are managing and operated by the resources. The examples are healthcare and the education. See, how many types of the deployment models are there, or the how many types of clouds are there is the four types of clouds are there: public cloud, private cloud, hybrid cloud, and the community cloud. And the community cloud. Fine, fine. Now, now we are going to explore the cloud delivery models. Cloud delivery models. Before I explore the cloud delivery models, anyone have any questions related to the cloud deployment model or the types of clouds? Any questions? No? Fine. Now, I explored the cloud delivery models. Cloud computing is providing the three types of the delivery models are provided. Three types of cloud delivery models are provided. The three types of cloud delivery models are: one is infrastructure as a service, second, platform as a service, third, software as a service. Software as a service. I explored the cloud delivery models by taking an example. That's in the last session also. I explored that the cloud delivery. Sorry, I explored the before I am introducing the cloud computing. I am given the example is the core example. I am saying that. Similarly, to explore cloud delivery models, I'm using the example is the core example I'm taking. Core example I'm taking. See, if you want to purchase or you want to use the car, you are using car owned, then you will take care of those things. That is car finance, depreciation, servicing, renewables, insurance, road tax, all those things will take care of it. That is who has to manage. Whoever buying the car, they has to manage it. Garage, fuel, road tolls, the driver, everything you need to take care of. Car is owned. Car is owned. That is similar to the cloud terminologies on premise. On premise. If you are taking, car will be leased. Car will be leased. Then car finance depreciation. Others has to manage it. Others is nothing but whoever providing the car, they are managing it. They will take care. Or finance depreciation. Then the rest of the things: servicing, renewables, insurance, road tax, garage, fuel, road tolls, driver, those things you are managed. You need to manage it. That is, in the cloud terminology, the infrastructure as a service. Infrastructure as a service. Your car is hide, then up to this provider will take care. You will take care the fuel, road tolls, driver. These things you need to manage it. You have the car will be hide. That is comes the terminology platform as a service. Cloud delivery model. Similarly, one more type of the cloud delivery model is also there. That is nothing but your using the taxi, that is using your mobile, using the app, you are booking the taxi, Ola or Uber, using those apps, you are booking the car, then you no need to think about the car, finance, depreciation, servicing, renewables, insurance, road tax, fuel, road tolls, driver, everything will be taken care by the provider. Only the thing is you are using the car. For that, you are paying the amount. That is from your location to the destination. You are using the car. For that, you are paying the amount for the provider. That is comes under the software as a service. Now, I can relate this with my cloud. With my cloud, what I am telling that it is providing the three types of the cloud delivery models are there. Cloud delivery models are there. The three types of cloud delivery models are infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, software as a service. See, if we are using in on-premise, using the on-premise, you need to deploy the application in the on-premises. You are taken care of networking, storage, servers, and operating system. To develop the application, some middleware tools will be required. Thus also will take care it. To develop the application, which type of the platform you need to use it? Either Java, C program, Python, or Go programming, or .NET, or Ruby, that will take care it, and we can test it, and finally we can deploy the application. Here, if we are using in on-premise, everything you need to manage it. Like that is your own the car, your own the car, everything you have to manage it. Similarly, in on-premise also, everything you need to take care of. And see that you are lease the car will be leased. Up to this, provider will take care. Then servicing, renewable, insurance, road tax, garage, road tolls, driver, you have to take care. Here, in infrastructure as a service, you'll see that up to this color, up to this color, provider has to manage it. The operating system selection, to develop the application, middleware tools will be required. That will take care. And to develop the application, which platform you are chosen, either Java or the C language or the Go programming, that's we can take it and we can test it. And finally, we can deploy the application. This part you will take care of it in infrastructure as a service. The example are in the AWS compute service is there. That means the EC2 service is there. Elastic Cloud Computing service is there. That comes under the infrastructure as a service. In Azure, compute service is there. In Google, the compute service is there. Those are comes under the infrastructure as a service. Here, on those, you will take care of the operating system, middleware tools, runtime, and the application. Here, if you are using those compute service, networking, storage, servers, virtualization, provider will be taken care. Provider is nothing but whoever providing the service, they will be taken care. Similarly, if we are using another cloud delivery model, platform as a service, up to this, see that networking, you no need to worry, storage, you no need to worry, servers, virtualization, operating system, middleware, you no need to worry, the others has to manage it. Only your part is the runtime and the application, that's we have to manage it. The example is in AWS, Elastic Beanstalk is there. Only your part is the platform you need to choose it. And we can write the code, we can test it, and we can deploy the application. That is in Elastic Beanstalk in the AWS. Similarly, in the Salesforce also. That comes under the platform as a service. Next, one more service is there. One more service is there. That is nothing but the software as a service. In software as a service, see that everything managed by others. Managed by others. Like if we are using taxi, by using your mobile, you are booking the car, go to the destination, you are using the Ola or the Uber, everything will be taken care by the service provider. You no need to think about the finance, depreciation, servicing, insurance, road tax, garage, fuel, road tolls, drivers, etc. Everything will taken care by the service provider. Similarly, if we are using software as a service, everything will be taken care by service provider. Your part is the usage. Your part is usage. So tell me the example for software as a service. The example is present your listen my online sessions. How you are listen my online sessions? How you are listen my online sessions? Using the Zoom link, you are attending the online session and you are listen my sessions. For that, you are using the Zoom app. While using the Zoom app, are you thinking about the networking? Are you thinking about in Zoom app how much storage it will be providing? To run the Zoom app, what are the servers are using? What is the server configuration? Are you thinking like that? While using the Zoom app, which type of operating system they are using to develop that app? Are you thinking? What are the middleware tools are using on the Zoom app? Which type of platform is used to develop that application? Are you thinking that one? No. Simply, you are using that app for usage of that, the organization that is the cloud innovatives, they are paying the money for monthly or the yearly process. Monthly or the yearly pattern, they are paying the money. Then you are using that service. Similarly, the GoToMeeting is there. Teams app is there. See, they are providing the service, everything will be taken care. Only your part is the usage. For usage of that, you need to pay them. In the education system, the ERP system is there. Everything they will be taken care. Only your part is the usage, but that you are paying the money. Nothing your role is there, only the usage part is there. They are nothing but the cloud delivery models are there. Cloud delivery models are there. See, totally, how many types of the cloud delivery models are there? The cloud delivery models are the three types of cloud delivery models are there. One is infrastructure as a service. Second one is platform as a service. Platform as a service. Third one is software as a service. Those are nothing but the cloud delivery models. Up to this, any questions? Today I explore the two concepts. One is cloud deployment models. Cloud deployment models. We also call it as types of clouds. That is, the four types of clouds are there. Public cloud, private cloud, hybrid cloud, community. And today's session, we explored cloud delivery models. That is, cloud computing is providing the three types of cloud delivery models are providing. Infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service. Those two concepts I explored today's session. Any questions related to this? Related to this, any questions? Any questions?
No, sir.
Yeah, clear? I'll continue this.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, fine, fine. Now, we're going to explore. Now, I'm going to introduce the AWS concept. The AWS stands for Amazon Web Services. Amazon Web Services.
Web.
It is a cloud computing service created by the Amazon. Created by the Amazon. When it will be started means in 2006. See, now AWS is in globally the number one cloud service platform. Globally, the number one cloud service platform. How it will be providing the services globally means with their data centers. With their data centers, it is providing their services throughout globally. Globally. Sir, how it is providing their services is based on their data centers. Globally, how many regions are there is right now 36 regions are there, not 33. This is the old one. This is 2 months back exactly, the 33 is there. How many availability zones are there is 114 availability zones are there. 114 availability zones are there. With the help of their data centers, it is providing their services throughout globally. See that. If you have doubt, I can copy this link. I'll send it in the chat box. I'll send it in the chat box. You can also copy and paste it in your browsers. In your browsers, I can open this in the browser. See that this is you got it. This is you got it. This is the AWS global infrastructure. See how many regions are there throughout globally? 36. How many availability zones are there? 114 availability zones are there. We can scroll down. We can read this one. AWS cloud spans 114 availability zones within 36 geographic regions. Within 36 geographic regions. How many availability zones are there? I will tell you that. 114 availability zones are there. How many regions are there? 36 regions are there. And they need to upgrade. They need to upgrade. 12 more availability zones and 4 more regions: New Zealand, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, Taiwan, and the Europe. They need to upgrade their regions. How many availability zones they need to upgrade it? 12 more. Right now, how many regions are there? 36 regions are there. 36 launched regions are there. Each region can have the multiple availability zones are there. Can have the multiple availability zones are there. Can have the multiple availability zones are there. How many availability zones are there now? That is 114 availability zones are there. 114 availability zones are there. Now, we can scroll down this one. We're getting this one. Here, in this, the green color circles are there. They are nothing but the existed regions. Existed regions. See that? The green color circles which are representing the existed regions are there. See, our India is there. Hyderabad is one region. Mumbai is also there. In India, the two data centers are there. One is in Hyderabad and another one is in Mumbai region. That is the green color circles which are representing already the existed regions are there. And here in these, the red color circles are also there. They are coming soon. Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. See, it's representing. Red color circles coming soon. See that. Here, Germany coming soon. Taiwan coming soon. That's it's mentioned here. That is 4 more AWS regions in New Zealand, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, Taiwan, and the Europe. 12 more AWS regions, 12 more availability zones, they need to upgrade it. They need to upgrade it. What I'm telling that 36 launched regions are there. Each region can have the multiple availability zones are there. Multiple availability zones are there. See that I can show that already I have my AWS personal account is there. Tomorrow session, I'll tell you that how we can create your AWS free tier account. Free tier account. See that I'm using AWS account. Just we can observe that. Sign in with my root user mail ID, and I am given the password. See, to enter my AWS account, I am providing the additional security. That's nothing but I'm using the multi-factor authentication in my AWS. In my mobile number, I receive the 6-digit code. When I enter the 6-digit code, then only it will be open my AWS account. See that this is my AWS account. This is my AWS account. Now, at the top, we'll see that this is my name is there. This is my account ID. This is my account ID. Sir, you are saying that 36 launched regions are there. Where 36 launched regions are there? See that. North Virginia, California, Hong Kong, just now I enabled for the previous batch, Hyderabad, Mumbai, Singapore, Sydney, Canada Central. Those are the regions which are available in my AWS account. And we can scroll down. By default, when you are creating your AWS Pre-tier account, Hyderabad and Hong Kong region, they are not enabled. I enable. I enable the Hyderabad region and the Hong Kong region. If you scroll down it here, at the bottom, there are 13 more regions they are not enabled in my account. In my account. See that. You need to enable, go to manage regions option is there. Manage regions option is there. Scroll down, see that Hong Kong region I enable. Hyderabad region I enable. See, I can disable this one. Hong Kong region, no need. That is, I can type this as disable. Yeah. Now, see that. You need to enable the Malaysia. Select this. Enable option is there. Then that region will be enabled in your AWS account. In your AWS account. So, wait, the regions are there. Here, if you click on this, then you are getting the regions. You are getting the regions. Fine. Sir, you are telling that each region can have the multiple availability zones. I'll tell you the availability zone. The regions are nothing but the data centers. Data centers. See, for that you need to use the compute service. Just we observe that in tomorrow and day after tomorrow session, I can tell in detail. Easy to service, we can use it. Easy to service, we can use it. If I am using the Mumbai region, I'm using the Mumbai region data center. See that I'm there in Mumbai region. Now just we observe that in instances, launch instant, we observe that, just we observe. See, network setting, edit option. I'm there in Mumbai region. If you click on subnets, we count it. How many availability zones are there? Availability zone AP South 1A. Scroll it. Availability zone AP South 1B. Availability zone AP South 1C. That is, in Mumbai region, how many availability zones are there? 3. What are the 3 availability zones are there? AP South 1A. 1 availability zone. AP South 1B. AP South 1C. Total, the 3 availability zones are there. That is, in Mumbai region, the 3 availability zones are there. Fine. Now, I can switch to the Hyderabad region. Automatically, it will be open the instance, launching the instance, no problem. Just to be observe that. Scroll down. In network setting, edit option. Now I am there in Hyderabad region. Come to the subnet. See, availability zone 1 AP South 2A, 2, AP South 2B, 3, AP South 2C. That is, in Hyderabad region, how many availability zones are there? 3. What are the availability zones are there in Hyderabad region? AP South 2A, AP South 2B, AP South 2C. That is in Hyderabad region, the 3 availability zones are there. Come to the North Virginia region. North Virginia region, automatically it will be open. EC2 under the instances and the launch instant. Scroll it. And in North Virginia region, network setting edit option. Come to the subnet. Come to subnet. You count it. 1. US East 1A. 2. US East 1B. 3. US East 1D. 4. US East 1E. 5. US East 1C. 6. US East 1F. That is, in the North Virginia region, how many availability zones are there? That is, in North Virginia region, totally the 6 availability zones are there. That is US East 1A, US East 1B, US East 1C, US East 1D, US East 1E, US East 1F. Total in the North Virginia 6 are there, Hyderabad 3 is there, Mumbai 3 is there. Means each region can have the multiple availability zones are there. Multiple availability zones are there. Then your question is why they are using the multiple availability zones? Why they are using multiple availability zones? That is why it is required the multiple availability zones is to deploy your applications more than one availability zone. More than one availability zone. Because due to the disaster recovery, due to the disasters, that is maybe the floods or something, then your availability zone may be in down, then your application should be safely running. You can deploy your application more than one availability zone, even if one availability zone may be in down due to the disaster recovery, right? Your application is safely running in another availability zone. That is the reason that AWS is introducing in each region can have the multiple availability zones are there. That is, in Mumbai region, 3 availability zones are there. In Hyderabad region, 3 availability zones are there. In North Virginia region, 6 availability zones are there. The highest availability zone, the region is the North Virginia region. North Virginia region. Now, are you clear about this one? 36 launched regions are there. Each region can have the multiple availability zones. Right now, how many availability zones are there globally? 114 availability zones are there. That is nothing but the AWS global infrastructure. Global infrastructure. Any questions related to this? The global infrastructure. AWS global infrastructure. Any questions? Any
No, sir. I should have also create the AWS.
you are created?
If I am using AWS means I should have to create the account
Fine,
of AWS.
fine. Okay. And tomorrow's session, I'll tell you that how we can create your AWS free tier account. Free tier account. And also, I'll tell you that in tomorrow's session, what are the limitations of your AWS free tier account? Your AWS free tier account. And then I can launch and connect the Linux server. One by one, we'll see that with hands. That's about today's session. Tomorrow we'll see that in the next. Okay, thank you. I'll end the session.